Annie. He born me for your shit house, them walk come look cloud. Thinking all Annie. When I said I pretty got blood clad school. Can I eat the food to me? Sure. My temper hot wife. He born me. And I don't so they know someone knows a TikTok wicked. I'm not tell you I know a TikTok wicked. I never said this man, I said this now. You know, I know a TikTok wicked. And Jaydenn, them and Annie, them are some look stinking dirty cloud tracer. You don't know what say. Why? Who remember the day when me and Jabass fall out? Who remember the day when me and Jabass fall out? Who remember that day? The Friday when me and Jabass fall out? The Friday when me and Jabass fall out. The Friday when me and Jabass fall out. I beg Jakes come in and I beg Jakes buy something for me. And Jaydenn called Jakes. I said, Jakes said, don't call to me, batty boy. And Jabass take on the story and start this Jakes. Oh, Jakes, I'm a personal ATM. And that's why I'm a fuck pa me and the things them. I don't in the night and it join. Oh, me fuck mama man. So, oh yeah, half a day. You forgot you have lost a memory. Someone over here have amnesia. You any a clout, you're looking at bitch, you can't look none. I'm swear to God. That's why nobody can't tell me nothing. Come on, I'm exposed. We have that that's the argument. The argument start with me and Jabass and that cast. I like it. But she's thinking about Annie. Nyam fuck Jaydenn and dirty Jabass. Sorry, Jabass, you're not trouble me. I don't even want to style like you're not trouble me. I apologize to Jabass. I never want to say that with a sorry, you're not trouble me. The whole argument start from stinking more Jaydenn, stinking more Annie and Jabass. And one of them class me the Friday, and I'm whisper in her head, go you fuck your mama man and go. That's why Jakes are fuck by you and go. And that's why you're Jakes personal ATM. If you got Annie, so you want to climb out pan date now. Well, a clout you look. Go fix your mouth. Go brush your mouth. Go brush your mouth. Your mouth full of pure shit stain, nanny and batty from a baby. Your mouth stink. Go fix your mouth. Kind of time Jakes go with them, you bust up you and him face. I'm serious. It can't work. That caused the argument. Because Alpha, you want to come style me, you not style Jakes. Oh, Jakes a fuck for me. I mean, Jakes personal ATM. And oh, I fuck my mother, man. I want to start, and you and them, and the whole of them, and class. Jakes, you forgot Annie. You think Jakes blood clot, not forget? Him not forget. Him a Capricorn, any game on now play. My place, him not even talk much. I'm a Capricorn. Get used to me. You're going blood clot. Find out for you know. Because my son a Capricorn. First impression always last. Get used to him. You think you can tame him. You say something. You think him remember? When you all want to class him. And the country, me Jaydenn over here come talk about, oh, me bad man. Me a baby father. I mean, I want to see the man strive.